All right, so let's do a quick review of the components of a swamp cooler that might get affected in a hailstorm, right? The cabinet is the most susceptible, especially if there were any parts that are made of plastic, which many of them are. That last photo was, right? And these are normally installed on the roof. So again, sitting ducts if there's a hailstorm. The grill vents, the evaporative pads are also very likely to get damaged in a hail event. And we're going to see more photos of this later showing those types of damages. Again, even if a metal cabinet, you might have plastic hail guards or plastic guards, right? Less likely to get damaged by hail is the water line. Probably going to be copper, could be something else, could be plastic, could be PEX, things like that. But copper is probably the most common and be a lucky hit for that to get hit. But again, it's outside, so it might. And the electrical line as well, sometimes called the electrical whip. And although most of them sit directly on top of the ductwork or the opening into the roof, like most package units, some of them do have exposed ductwork, like the one we see pictured here. So if exposed, that metal ductwork surely would be at risk of getting dented by hail as well.